I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow.
वेलकम बैक लविंग ऑडियंस। आज हमारी वीडियो है इस चीज़ के लिए कि मैं अपनी हेयर केयर और स्किन केयर रूटीन में क्या करती हूँ। दो हु आर माई फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम दे नो व्हाट आई यूज़ एज रेमेडी फॉर माई पिम्पल्स और माई स्किन केयर और माई टैनिंग and as well as for my hair growth. But today I'll be telling you this secret that what I actually use. I do not use any cosmetic products on daily basis, and I do not use any peel off mask or face mask from any of the brands, any of the companies. So I'll recommend you some if your skin is fine and is not very much sensitive like mine, so you can go with them as well. But the best thing is the one you can make at home. So I'll show you what I make. Okay, so let's get started with the hair care. So I have these few onions with me, okay, which I have already cut. You can see I have cut them into slices, not very small. Okay, the reason I have not cut them very small is because we are anyways going to blend it, so hardly matters. I have taken this ball which is a big enough so that I can blend enough of the onion and I'll get the juice out of it. I know this product is available in the markets now as well, but one thing is that they have chemicals in it, because you cannot store onion juice for a very long time without using chemicals. So the bottles always have chemicals. So if you want to make something completely homemade and completely natural, go for this one. So okay, so like this, you have to put onions in the bowl. You can see I have put all the onions in the bowl. Okay, now you have to add a little bit of water into it. Use the water from water purifier only, or you first get the boiled water and then use it. Don't use direct water because it may contain some of the germs. So you need to put only a few. Okay, so I'm putting 1 spoon and a half. Okay, so 1.5 spoon is enough, because onion is however going to release its juice, so you'll not need water. Okay, so there is the onion. Okay, so you can see how am I going to blend it. Okay. So we are going to blend it off. So you can see we have blended almost the entire onion, and there's a few left over this, so we'll take this one out as well. Don't worry about the pungent smell of this onion. It's not that much strong. You'll not feel irritated. Trust me, the first time I was applying this, I thought that it would be really irritating and is going to make me vexated completely, but trust me, it was nothing like that. I'll tell you the reason why it didn't smell much. So why onion is beneficial for hair is because it contains collagen and sulfur, which promotes the hair growth and it thickens your hair. If you're having thin hair yet they are long, they'll not look that much pretty, so better you opt for something that makes your hair grow thick. So this is the best thing you can do. So now I'll tell you how to take the onion water, onion juice out of this material. Okay, so we'll be putting this onion into this one like this, entire onion. Now you have to press this one. Already this juice has started coming out before you just start pressing it. I've taken an onion of almost this was a large size, so I think this can be used for 2 people. You can store it. Please just try to make the fresh juice and try to apply that one. Don't store, don't and then apply it afterward. It will start smelling. So okay, so we have taken out the entire juice. One more thing, this will not get wasted. You can put this in vegetables. It is not getting wasted. You can see I have not put anything beside this water into it, so you can use this for your vegetables, so this is not getting wasted. So the leftovers I'll be putting back into this bowl. So why it do not smells very bad is because I put this oil into it. How much do I put? I'll show you with a spoon. Okay. So I'm putting almost a spoon. Completely filled up spoon. You can see the spoon is completely filled up, and I'm putting this one into this, and so I have mixed this. Oh, this aroma is nice. I don't know who feels it a pungent smell. I don't feel it like so. Okay, so now we have prepared the onion juice. I'll tell you how to apply this one. First of all, you need to change your clothes, go into something which you do not wear on daily basis, because the onion juice, if it sticks on your clothes, it might create a bit of smell for till the first or second wash. So better you quickly change your clothes. Okay, so the foremost thing is to untangle your hair before you apply the onion juice, because only then you'll be able to make divides in your hair and then apply it with the help of a cotton ball. Okay, so I'll put it. So similar way like you do with your oiling, you have to do the same with the onion oil. You have to put the onion juice all the divisions. See, you can divide your hair throughout, and you can put the onion juice over. Wherever you feel you have less density of hair, put the oil juice a little bit more over there. Point, always keep a towel in handy with you, cause it might drop a little bit on your forehead, so you do not feel irritated. You have to apply it all the sideways as well. Like, see it dripping off a little bit. All the sideways. You have to put it in your entire head. It controls dandruff as well, so if you're having dandruff, you can apply this one. So once you finish the upper half, now you have to go to this lower portion, and you have to apply in these parts of your scalp as well. So I'll be applying onto these parts as well. If you have some sister or your mother is free, so you can ask them to do this, because they can do it in a better way. Though turn, so you can see I have applied it almost all over my head. So now I can take this and now all you have to do is just bind your hair up over into, or you can clutch them as well, whatsoever you prefer doing. So okay, here we go. Yeah, fine. For 1 hour only, and then wash it away with normal water. Don't use very cold or very hot water. Use the normal water and wash your hands. Okay, so we'll meet after 1 hour. Bye bye. So we are done with washing our head. So now we will be untangling our hairs using this aloe vera enriched coconut hair oil from Parachute, and using this Streaks hair serum. Now what you have to do is you have to take some serum. Okay, so I have serum and I'll be applying. You have to apply it first on the bottom of your hair, and then your hands should go on the top. Otherwise, if you'll put your hands first on your top, then your scalp may feel oily. Though after 10 to 15 minutes it'll get normal, but at first you'll feel oily. So okay, now you have to take a little bit of this Parachute coconut oil for 5. Okay, 5 drops. This is not going to make your hair sticky, trust me. Especially you have to put it on the bottom of your hair, because whenever even we bind our hairs, these are the places which do not get into your braids. So you have to put it over here, and the rest of your hands you have to make it to your upper part. And now how you partition your hair into 2 sections first, like this, and after that partition them into small divisions. For instance, I'm taking this lot, and then take a thick combing brush and then untangle them this way. Okay, so you have to keep untangling them. You can see. So you can see how easily I'm able to comb my hair after I have applied this oil and serum. Now, for instance, you don't have this kind of brush with you, so you can use this comb. And how you have to use it is, you have to take a little division from your hair, and you have to use this thick side, not the thin one, and then you have to untangle your hair till the bottom, from top to bottom. You have to take it from your scalp to the bottom, not like this. You have to take from scalp, right, like this. Always comb your hair. Okay, so keep your hair open for at least half an hour in order to let them dry in the natural air. Do not use dryers. They will make a lot of heat in your head if you use them every day, so they'll ultimately lead to hair fall and will damage your hair. So let them get dry on their own. Happy hair care. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe so that just a video you get to know. And subscribe my brother's channel as well, Keshav. So he mostly posts a video for PUBG and all stuff. Okay, so I'll give his YouTube handle in the description box below. Do subscribe his channel as well. Okay, if you have any questions related to any particular skin type, or if you want to know your personal skin type care routine, so me DM on my Instagram handle. I'll provide the link below in my description box, or you can comment in the comment section below. Have a good day. Bye bye. Bye bye. Stay safe and stay at your homes. Love you all.
I'm motivated by a mix of emotion, got my statement, and I'm reading.